Okay guys, we're doing a rear brake pad replacement on a 2017 Mazda 3. This goes for the Mazda 6s and 2016 and up. Okay, you want to remove the wheel. Pull off. You're gonna have two 13mm nuts. You're gonna have one here, one bolt there. Okay. You're gonna want to get a set of pliers or a set of vice grips and grab onto these while you spin off the bolt. So we're gonna get that for you right now. You're gonna put the vice grips right on there. If you have an electric ratchet, it might make the job easier. If not, you can still get it done without it. So okay. Once that's removed, put the vice grips, put them onto the bottom bolt. Put it right up on there, so that way it doesn't move. Come up here with your electric ratchet. Okay, bolts are removed. Let's set this bad boy apart. Get a good flathead screwdriver. This is gonna help you pop off the old pads. Just kind of pry it out. Pay attention to which way these pads came off, so that way you know where the other ones went on. Pry it out. Okay. Now you're gonna want to get the new pads. And this side right here that you guys see that has this little brake wear sensor, you're gonna want to put that on the inside. Slide that in there like that. Your other brake pad. And don't worry, on Mazdas, they don't come with the anti-rattle clips. They use these instead. It's a Mazda thing. So you're gonna push those little tabs in so that way you can slide it in. Okay, pads are in. Next thing you're gonna do, the T30 Torx bit to remove the control module for the electronic brake system. So let's start on that. Okay guys, once you take those two bolts off, control module just comes straight out. You're gonna want to inspect this little seal right here, make sure it's not. I wasn't able to get that last part in the video. I was having trouble with my software. Next, you guys are gonna want to get a T30 Torx bit socket and spin this center nut clockwise until it bottoms out. Once it bottoms out, you can now get a C-clamp and push the piston straight back into the brake caliper. You're gonna want to make sure that the piston is flushed all the way in with the brake caliper. Once it is flushed all the way in, just like you see in this photo, you can then put everything back. Well, viewers, I hope this video helped out a lot. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for another episode of Wrench Master.